Hello guys, I am Rishad. It's been 1 year. I hope you guys are fine. I'm really sorry for that because I had some jobs, something so I couldn't upload videos. I'm really sorry for that. Really. So today, as I said in our last lesson, we'll make a cursor for that. It's a joystick. I can tell you. So with this joystick, we can move our character or something. So I'm really sorry. I try to explain this fastly. First, you guys, let's create a new class. It will be joystick. Joystick. Yeah, it will be our virtual joystick. Let's create our constructor, public joystick. Guys, but before I create this class, I found something interesting. It is circle. Yeah, it's a circle. It's really like this rectangle. As you can remember, there was a rectangle, so we can create a wide height. But in this circle, you just give the radius. It is very useful for that. So let's create it then. First, you must get the float x, float a, and float radius. So it's simple. Circle equals leave circle x yeah radius and close. Guys, now I'll create a new function that will return the state of this joystick. For example, if the but before I explain that, just render this joystick so we can speak more. Guys, another thing, I won't use the image for joystick. You may use, but I won't. I will use the shape render for this project. But maybe you can change something so you can use the image as joystick. So what we're gonna do? First, let's create joystick class, joystick, and let's make the joystick, new joystick. X, let's create 150. It's enough, I think. So how to render it? Guys, we have to create the shape render. As I said, I will use shape render. I won't use image, but you can use. After this project, maybe you can have an idea. Anyways, shape render. So shape render equals new shape render, and shape render that project magic the camera combines. No, I think so. Let's continue. Public joystick. Let's create a new function. This will be rendered. In truth, we just will get the shape render as a parameter because I want to create in joystick. It may maybe memory leaks in your game. So let's create our function inside render begin shape type line. Guys, line, not file. I'll show why. Render begin render circle. As you can see, I will use the circle variables. For example, circle x, circle a, circle radius. Good class. I love this. Anyway, render and okay, now let's render shape render. But keep in mind, you can't render shape render inside the batch begin because it will crash your project. You must use after batch.end. Okay? Joystick render the shape render. Okay, let's try it. Yes, there's a circle at top of our game. Also, don't forget the shape render because we don't want the memory leaks. So guys, what we gonna do? We created a joystick, and now what must be done? Guys, actually we create a thin circle at center of this joystick. Why? You'll see. Let's create render begin. This time we'll make this file. Why? Because you'll see render circle. Guys, let just mat time circle x circle a, and this we have to make this radius a bit smaller. So actually we may do this circle radius divide to 5. I don't know, maybe it's okay, and run again. What we will see? Yes, as you can see, there is a tiny circle at center of our joystick. Because we will move this tiny circle so our character can move or something. Anyways, let's change the color also. Let's color green. Okay, that will be fine. Let's run game. Yes, as we want. Now, how to move this? Guys, actually, first we have to update the joystick. So that means we have to create the update method. Public void updates. You will update, but you also need X and A parameters, because you will check if the X and A, or sorry, if the circle contains these coordinates. So we'll tell them move this to the circle. Plot X, plot A. Okay, so let's check it now. Circle contains X, Y. That's a bit bad, because we have to create a new circle for this circle 2. Okay, circle 2. New circle X, A, radius with 5, and we'll change it here. So we have circle 2 variable, circle A and circle radius. Okay. Now, guys, as I say, if the circle 2 contains, if circle contains X and A, then circle 2 that set position X and A. Good? Yeah, I think so. Let's return to my GDX game Java, and we will update the joystick before everything. So actually you can create update method there. Create public void update. Okay. So guys, as you can see, that is wanting X and Y parameters, but you can send the GDX input get X or get A, because that won't work. You have to unproject test and send after that. I show how to do. So, but for this you need a new vector. Vector most, we can do that. Most equals new vector 3. Sorry. So let's run the update. Okay, now we can write our update function here. Joystick update. So it's wanting X and Y. So what we gonna send? First, guys, you must do camera unproject mouse set GDX input get X, GDX input get A, and 0. Okay. This will make the mouse basically this will give the original coordinates. So we can send the mouse X and mouse, yeah, easily. Let's run game. What have changed? Oh man, this is so big. We have to change that. Sorry. Circle 2. We have to do. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's. Oh my gosh. As you can see, this is moving. Even outside of the main circle. Man. Oh. Also, I realized something. We must check if this usher clicks on the screen. So for this, if GDX input is touched, and pointer, okay, that's enough. And close this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, yeah, it's good. It's moving. Now, guys, we'll create some basic things for make it at center. Let's return this joystick and update. If the circle X bigger than or main circle X, or no need or for now, just if then circle X equals circle oh my gosh, this won't work. Wait, you must add also a circle radius. Okay, now because this is not like rectangle. Okay, circle 2 equals circle X and circle radius. Okay, let's try it for now. Let's see what changed. As you can see, this is not going anywhere. Yeah, this is not going anywhere. But this will go to the top because we didn't add a control. So let's add this also. As if circle, sorry, no, just control. If circle to a bigger than circle A and circle radius, and also let's do same thing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's try it. Yes, this is not going right. This is not going top, but this will go to left and bottom. So we have to add this same controls. I will copy that. I don't want to write again. If circle. Oh man. Okay. Actually, same thing. Just change operator. Oh my gosh. As you can see, just same thing, but I'm changing operators. Oh man, what just happened? Oh my gosh. I'm searching. I don't know what happened. So, oh my. Okay. Yes, that's working, guys. Now this is not going anywhere, as you can see. Yeah, this is not going anywhere. Oh, but it's not going the main point, as you can see. If I drag this is not going or main point, so we can fix it by this. If GDX input is touched, if this is not, then we will make the position at the center as circle set position circle X and circle A. Let's see. That didn't work. Oh my gosh, this didn't work. Where we did wrong? It's touched. It's touched. Oh, I wonder if it is because of that. Nah, no, guys, this is not working. Circle X, circle A. Why this is not working? Actually, I don't. Oh my god! Sorry for. Really sorry for that. Because I created the control here. I'm really sorry for that. Now it will work. Yes, as we like that this is working. So final thing, how to move the character, guys. This is actually basic thing, but I'll just give you nutshell. So we already have our image. Let's create plot X, plot A. This will be position of our image. Batch render, no, sorry, batch draw picture, image X, A. Okay, that's enough, I think. First, let's see what just happened. Okay, image is there. If now we will control the, if example, if mini circle on the right, then the character will move to the right. But how to control that? We'll create a new function for that. Public void get state. This int. Okay. If circle X bigger than circle X, so that means or we moved right, so we can return 1. This will be right. Let's say if circle 2A bigger than circle A, so this means we are moving our circle to the top, so we can return 2. Let's check from here, but default return 0. My GDX. If joystick gets state, or it's that actually, which joystick gets state, case 1, or then plot X at 1. That's enough. Also, don't forget break. Case 2, A at 1. Also, don't forget break. Okay, let's start it. As you can see, guys, our image is moving as we expected. If actually you can add more controls, for example, don't move except after 10 or 12 pixels, you can do something. But basically, as you can see, if we move to top, then our image is going top. Let's create others and let's finish the video. First, if circle X smaller than circle X and return 3, as if circle A smaller than circle A and return, yeah, that's right. I'll copy again. I don't want to write case 3, then okay, then we need to okay. So okay, let's see. Yes, guys, it is going as also, but there are really some bugs. You can fix them by your hand. But basically, I just show you how to create a joystick. The player moves. As you can see, this is going as we wanted. Anyways, guys, this is how to create controller joystick and how to move our image. As you can see, there are some bugs. You can fix that by your hand. It's not an in fact, just add some controls there so you can make a great joystick. And also you may add some sprite instead the shape render or something. But as I said, I'm just giving you some idea. You can make better things. Anyways, guys, it is the end of the video. I'll keep uploading new videos. Just I don't know, subscribe and like this video. Anyways, have a nice day, you all guys.